Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical home tools, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from home tools, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best home tools from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. KingTool 325-piece home repair tool kit. General home or auto repair tool set. The KingTool 325-piece home repair toolkit is the ultimate solution for your general home or auto repair needs. This comprehensive set includes a one-dropper storage box with an independent sliding drawer, offering extra capacity for better organization and easy access to your tools. The high-quality steel tools are finished in heat-treated chrome for enhanced durability and corrosion resistance, while the comfortable TPR material handles ensure a secure grip during use. Ideal for handymen, mechanics, and DIY enthusiasts, this kit features an assortment of professional-grade tools including wrenches, precision screwdrivers, pliers, a hammer, tape measure, and a variety of 1x4-inch and 3x8-inch sockets. With a 72-tooth ratchet and an extensive range of screwdriver bits, Phillips, slotted, square, star, and posi, this set is versatile enough for any small repair or DIY project. This well-organized and durable toolkit makes a perfect gift for Father's Day, birthdays, or Christmas for anyone who enjoys tackling home projects. Number 2. DEKOPRO 218-piece General Household Hand Tool Kit, Professional Auto Repair Tool Set. The DEKOPRO 218-piece General Household Hand Tool Kit is a comprehensive tool set designed for both professional and DIY enthusiasts. Made from high-strength chrome vanadium steel, these tools are built for durability and longevity, meeting or exceeding ANSI standards. This all-in-one tool set includes a wide range of essential tools, such as combination spanners, Phillips screwdrivers, 1x4-inch drive sockets, adjustable wrenches, screwdriver bits, lineman's pliers, and more, making it perfect for tackling various tasks around the house or garage. The compact, durable toolbox ensures all tools are neatly stored and easy to transport, with a size of 17.12-inch into 12.99-inch Eno 3.5-inch and a net weight of 14.02 pills. This toolkit is an excellent gift for family, friends, or colleagues and is ideal for furniture assembly, woodworking, plumbing, car repairs, and many other tasks. Whether for home or office use, this set is versatile and essential for everyday repairs. Number 3. Amazon Basics 173-piece General Household Hand Tool Set. The Amazon Basics 173-piece General Household Hand Tool Set is the perfect toolkit for basic home repairs and everyday projects. It includes essential tools such as 8 combination wrenches, a 3x8-inch ratchet wrench, 22 hex keys, 6-inch slip joint pliers, long nose pliers, and more to tackle a wide range of tasks. Made from durable, heat-treated chrome-plated alloy steel, these tools are built for long-lasting, corrosion-resistant strength. The set features comfortable, non-slip plastic handles for enhanced control during use. Conveniently organized in a blow-molded case, this toolkit ensures secure storage and easy portability. The 173 pieces cover everything from screwdrivers to clamps, utility cutters to saws, making it a versatile choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're working on home improvement, automotive repairs, or small projects, this set has the tools you need to get the job done. It's a reliable and comprehensive solution for any household or workshop. Number 4. Sundpey 379 pieces Home Tool Kit, Portable Complete Household and Auto Repair Tool Set. The Sundpey 379 pieces Home Tool Kit is the ultimate all-in-one solution for home, auto, and DIY repairs. This portable, complete tool set includes a wide variety of essential tools such as a claw hammer, tape measure, hex wrench set, screwdrivers, wire strippers, pliers, and more, making it perfect for home renovation, car repairs, and general maintenance. The kit's unique design provides ample space for easy storage with a sturdy plastic case featuring molded compartments to keep each tool in place and accessible. Equipped with high-quality chrome-plated tools and TPR material handles for comfort and durability, this set is designed for long-lasting performance. Whether you're a handyman, DIY enthusiast, or mechanic, this toolkit meets all your needs. It's also an ideal gift for homeowners and mechanics alike. With a 12-month product service and responsive customer support, Sundpey ensures a satisfying experience. Number 5. TOPLINE 467-piece Household Home Tool Sets Bag with Heavy-Duty Home Tool Kit. The TOPLINE 467-piece Household Home Tool Set is the ultimate toolkit for all your home and automotive maintenance needs. This comprehensive set includes essential hand tools like a basic screwdriver set, magnetic screwdrivers with 80 bits, pliers, a 16-oz hammer, 100 hardware pieces, and more. It also features a mechanic's tool set with 50 metric and SAE drive sockets, reversible drive ratchets, extension rods, spark plug sockets, and combination wrenches, making it perfect for both household repairs and automotive tasks. All tools are made from durable, heat-treated drop-forged steel with ergonomic non-slip handles for comfort and superior grip. The set comes neatly organized in a sturdy, water-resistant 16-inch tool bag with multiple compartments for easy access and storage. Whether you're assembling furniture, repairing your car, or working on DIY projects, this toolkit has you covered. It's a must-have for homeowners, mechanics, and DIY enthusiasts alike. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.